Okay, we got an issue where we got these shelf. It's very common. We're using it for outdoor storage, and we want to put some sides on it to keep the rain off. And it's a standard keyhole. It's exactly 1/2 inch diameter, and I believe it's a little over 1/4 inch slot here. So it's a diameter hole with a 1/4 inch slot, and a 1/4 inch bolt will just fit this bottom radius here. And here's the problem: I cannot find the hardware that has a button that goes through the hole but has a backup flange, or a built-in washer for the exterior side to let you to catch in the slot and yet have a thread to it that allows us to install like panels. So Sean, we won't be able to walk up with a piece of plywood with our hardware already installed, set them in those slots, like 2 or 3 per panel, and then just it drops what, 1/2 inch as it slides into the slot. Okay, you can take it down. So that's our goal. Well, we got one solution using 1/4 inch hardware. We don't like it, but it is workable. And that is, man, it's so bright I can barely see. So we got a 1/inch, 1/4 inch bolt with and this would be the inside. This would be the inside as you walk up, and let's go ahead and do it. So using this 1/4 inch bolt and with the jam nut really on the interior side, this works. The fastener head just fits. Turns out the fastener head of a 1/4 inch hex bolt will just fit through into a 1/2 inch hole. And now there's a couple problems. One is, even if it's perfect, we got this gapping condition due to the jam nut. We can live with that, but the other issue is we never can get the jam nut perfect. The jam nut is not actually jammed. It's jammed when it's installed, but it could easily turn, after assembly, but before final installation. So we don't have a whole lot of control over this gap, this threaded gap here. And then, there we go. The other side, of course, I don't care for outdoor use here for this, I don't care if the nut is on the outside or not, but that's what we have. What I would prefer is a piece of hardware that has 7/16 diameter button that goes through the 1/2 inch hole, and then has a thin metal flange, thin enough where it doesn't create such a large gap like a nut, like a 1/4 inch nut. And then it's threaded to allow us, actually what would be great would be a threaded sleeve that goes through of different lengths to allow us to put a bolt on the outside and to bolt into this double flange stud, if you will. So anyway, I'm looking for a double flange stud that locks into this common key slot. And if I can't find it, I've Googled the crap of it and I can't find it, and it'd be a nice piece of hardware for somebody to invent.